Okay, so this week we have a few different things planned. So number one, we are going to experiment a little more with our WIDA testing site. I want you guys to be familiar with that, and I also want you to um, have all the advantages of being prepared for it. I don't want you to just be thrown in there and expect to do better than what you have in the past. So we're going to experiment with that for the first little bit, depending on internet, on Tuesday. And then we are going to look at the different types of sentences. So with the different types of sentences, I've got a video up here on sentence structure, what makes up a sentence, and what different styles of sentences do we have. So we have a Kahoot that goes with that at the end of class. If you are zooming into class, feel free to join us with that. But the biggest thing is, let me go back to it. You have 4 different types of sentences. You have simple, compound, complex, and then you also have declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. We're going to go over what those mean in more detail in class and in the Zoom meeting that you can watch the recording of or join. But on your own, I want you to read the articles that I have for you and answer the questions and complete the assignment on compound, complex, and simple sentences. If you have more questions about it, please reach out to me and we'll work through this. Thanks, guys.